Hey y'all, and thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do a string pull, but it's going to be a little bit different and it's going to create a really cool effect that I think that you'll like. I certainly thought it was pretty cool looking, so let's get right to it. I have a canvas here that I am repurposing. I did a little practice of something on it and didn't go well. Anyway, so we've scraped it all off and we're going to repurpose it and go with something new. So that's something you can always do with your canvases that you're not happy with. Don't throw them away, redo them. I picked these colors from a color palette that is on my, as I've mentioned in previous videos, on my Pinterest, Design by Kathy Pinterest page, under art, I have saved a lot of different color palettes, and a lot of them are they're from various things, and a lot of them are just from nature itself. So I've chosen this palette from that. Just make it easy. Don't have to overthink too much. Just pick a palette that looks pretty and go with it. I'm going to just do a chocolate background. And I'm going to just spread this out over the canvas. I have already pre-mixed my paints here, all of them. I do have 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, so they're all ready to go. As well as with this brown. There's nothing else mixed in the brown. This is just one color by itself. I want to get my edges since they've been a couple of different colors. I really enjoy using the strings, and I've done it several different ways. I've done strings, just used a string over a dirty pour, used a string over a solid background. I just think it can give it a little different, texture, different look, add a little something to it. I just really I like using strings. So this method is really easy, creates a fun look that you can play around with, and like I said, it creates a really cool look. And just another way to play with strings, so to speak. So what I'm going to do, I have these 4 colors. I've got a cream color. This is actually another brown, but it's a real reddish brown. And I think that it is, it's called chocolate, no, spice brown. A spice brown and chocolate bar, but I love it. It's kind of a reddish brown. I've got this really pretty, and I don't know why I keep doing that, wine color, deep burgundy, and this is a fuchsia. And then, of course, this is just a cream, ivory. I've cut my strings. I think I have about 7 or 8 strings cut apart here. So I'm going to get started, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with pouring just a little line completely across the canvas here. Try not to waste, which I just did. It jumped out a little quicker than I wanted. And then I'm going to lay the string in this paint. I just roll it a couple of times, and it gets all in your string. This is just a cotton string. Got it most likely at Lowe's. Now I want to keep these close together as I can. Don't make too wide of a space in between. And I'm see if I, and it's okay that it's picking up some of that other color because it's going to pick up colors. I'm going to go with my spice brown. And then my fuchsia. Just one little twist there. And let's see. Now I'm going to go back with my deep burgundy. Again, keep your paint lines, whoops, well, straight would be nice, but as close together as possible. And I got it in, and just a little twist. Let's see, what did we do? Oh, we did this one next. I'm going to go back with the okay, I'm going to continue on down with the same, I'm going to continue with the same sequence of colors. You know, you can choose, you could make each one of these lines a different color if you wanted to get something really, really colorful. Oh, which I just did. Huh, how about that? Well, we'll see what that does, if it makes a difference or not. Oops, I need a little thicker line there. Okay. These little 4-ounce, or not 4-ounce, I think these are like 5-ounce cups that I get them at Smart and Final, and you can get the little lids to go with them. That way, if you don't use all your paint in this, you know, at one time, put a lid on them. They won't last forever because it's obviously not completely, you know, like screwing a lid on. But it will save them, you know, for a day or so where you can come back and reuse them. So now I have this little tool. It's basic. It's a little tool that it's actually a dentist tool, but I use it with my Cricut when I'm doing weeding. So what I want to do is catch right pretty much in the center, catch this first first string, and then I'm going to drag it down and catch each string along the way and then pull it all the way down. So we'll just keep catching each one. And we're going to just gently pull all the strings at one time on down through the entire canvas. And there we have it. And I stuck a fingerprint in there. We can come back and do those little touch-ups later. Anyway, I think that turned out pretty cool. I love the color combination. Wasn't sure how the two browns would do, but that's pretty awesome, and I like having a little bit of the ivory contrast in there. So this is a fun string project that you can do. We've got some cool little cells forming there just because they decided to form. Anyway, I think this turned out pretty cool. You could do this, either way. You could do less strings, you could do more strings. Just create the look that you're happy with. And I want to thank you all for watching, and subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate your comments, your likes, your shares. And if you just dropped into Design by Kathy, I hope that you will subscribe as well and take this journey with us. You all have a wonderful day.